I am going to read you the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The preamble. Whereas recognition of the inherent dignity and of the equal and inalienable rights of all members of the human family is the foundation of freedom, justice, and peace in the world. Now, therefore, the General Assembly proclaims this Universal Declaration of Human Rights as a common standard of achievement for all peoples and all nations, to the end that every individual and every organ of society, keeping this declaration constantly in mind, shall strive by teaching and education to promote respect for these rights and freedoms, and by progressive measures, national and international, to secure their universal and effective recognition and observance under their jurisdiction.
Article 1. All human beings are born free and equal.
All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of community. Everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration, without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made on the basis of the political, jurisdictional, or international status of the country or territory to which a person belongs.
No one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment.
Everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. All are equal before the law and are entitled, without any discrimination, to equal protection of the law. All are entitled to equal protection against any discrimination in violation of this declaration and against any incitement to such discrimination. Everyone has the right to an effective remedy by the competent national tribunals for acts violating the fundamental rights granted him by the Constitution or by law.
No one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention, or exile. Everyone is entitled in full equality to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal in the determination of his rights and obligations and of any criminal charge against him. Everyone charged with a penal offense has the right to be presumed innocent and so proved guilty, according to law, in a public trial of which he has had all the guarantees necessary for his defense.
No one shall be subjected to arbitrary interference with his privacy, family, home, or correspondence, nor to attacks upon his honor and reputation. Everyone has the right to freedom of movement and residence within the borders of each state. Everyone has the right to leave any country, including his own, and to return to his country.
Everyone has the right to a nationality. Men and women of full age without any limitation due to race, nationality, or religion have the right to marry and to found a family. Marriage shall be entered into only with free and full consent of the intending spouses. The family is the natural and fundamental group unit of society and is entitled to protection by society and the state. Everyone has the right to own property alone as well as in association with others.
Everyone has the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association. No one may be compelled to belong to an association. Everyone has the right to life, liberty, and security of person. no one shall be held in slavery or servitude. Slavery and the slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms.